AI Prompt Engineering for Profitable Course Creation in 2026. If you want to build and sell online courses in 2026, but you are stuck at content planning, structuring, or writing, the problem is not your knowledge. The problem is your prompts. Most creators use AI the wrong way. They ask vague questions and get average results. Today, I will show you advanced AI prompts you can use to design, structure, validate, and package a high-value course in hours instead of weeks. Section 1. Validate before you build. Before creating any course, validate demand. Use this prompt. Act as a market research analyst. Identify underserved problems in the niche of your choice. Rank them by urgency, monetization potential, and audience size. Provide explanation for each ranking. This forces the AI to think strategically instead of listing random ideas. Next, validate willingness to pay. Use this specific structure for your next prompt. Based on this problem, define the ideal customer persona, their income range, and their current alternatives. And most importantly, why they would pay for a premium solution. This transforms AI into a positioning consultant, not just a text generator. Section 2. Define the transformation. Great courses sell transformation, not information. Use this prompt to get it right. Define a measurable before and after transformation for a course solving your target problem. Make it specific, time-bound, and outcome-driven to ensure high perceived value. Example structure. Before, confused beginner with no system. After, able to implement your specific outcome within 30 days. Now refine it by asking the AI to break this transformation into 5 logical milestones that build progressively. This becomes your core module structure. It provides the roadmap for your students. Section 3. Create a high-value curriculum. Instead of saying create a course outline, use precision to guide the AI. Act as an instructional designer. Create a results-focused curriculum for your course title. Each module must include a core objective, key concepts, and practical exercises. Don't forget the implementation checklist and common mistakes to avoid. This ensures the course is actionable and produces real results for your students. Then upgrade it by adding a real-world case study scenario to every module and include a mini project. Now you are building applied learning, not theoretical content. Section 4. Generate lesson scripts. Now that your structure is done, it's time to generate the actual teaching scripts. Prompt the AI to write a 5-minute teaching script using clear frameworks and examples. Always avoid fluff and end with an actionable assignment to keep momentum. To maintain quality, tell the AI to maintain a consistent tone and avoid repetition. You are now directing AI like a professional production manager. Section 5. Create premium positioning. Most courses fail because of weak positioning. Don't let yours be one of them. Craft a premium positioning statement that emphasizes transformation and speed of implementation. Then ask for a value stack breakdown showing why your course is worth a premium price. Include bonuses and outcomes. This helps justify your pricing psychologically. Section 6. Create sales page copy. Instead of asking for generic sales copy, use a structured framework. Use this structure: problem agitation, future state vision, and credibility, followed by your curriculum, objection handling, and a clear call to action. Then refine, rewrite for clarity, remove hype, and increase your authority tone. Precision in your prompts improves output quality dramatically. Section 7. Create supporting assets. You can also use AI to create workbook prompts, slide outlines, and email launch sequences. Ask for a 5-email launch sequence that builds urgency and deepens perceived value. This turns your course into a full system. Build once, sell repeatedly. AI does not replace expertise. It multiplies structured thinking. Prompt smarter. I am Lawrence, and I want to see Nigerians thrive globally. Read to lead at skilldential.com. Subscribe for more insights.